Hi everyone. Today on December 15th, called the Louis Vuitton store over at the Galleria, and lo and behold, they had the Speedy 35 Damier Ebene that I have been waiting for. So, had to run and make a purchase. Trying to find something in my bag. Let me just get it over here on the bed. So, pull out the receipt. Show it's authentic. There you go. Just very happy to get this bag. So, let's begin with the unboxing. I'm going to try my best with one hand. Alright, pretty neat. Had to put a phone in my mouth. So let's get this done. What a big box. The woman who sold it to me and boxed it for me said, "Do you want a box?" I'm like, yes, of course. And it looks like she just crammed it in there. But there we go. Great. Here. There's. Okay, you can guess what I did again. But anyway, there's my bag. Very happy to have it. Now I've got my Never Full and of course my other items. And now my Speedy. So, thanks for watching.